Hi guys, so the holidays have come and gone and hopefully Santa brought you everything that you wanted, but if he didn't, I have a really awesome site to share with you. It is called Steep Discount Mart. You can find them at steepdiscountmart.com, and it is a great site where you can find the hottest trending products at the best possible price ever. So how do they do that? Well, they actually they cut out the middleman, so you're buying directly from the manufacturer and you can find really great deals that you're just not gonna find anywhere else. So really awesome. You can find everything from beauty, personal care items, fitness, health products. If you've got New Year's resolutions to work out, you can find lots of great products there, as well as apparel for men and women, kitchen essentials, jewelry, accessories, maternity, and more. You're gonna find them all at a phenomenally steep discount, which you're gonna love. Like I said, it works directly with the manufacturers, so you're gonna get the best deal possible by eliminating the middleman and just shopping directly at Steep Discount Mart. So be sure to check them out. I know you're gonna love the products. They're good quality products, but you're gonna find them at amazing prices that you're just not gonna find anywhere else for cheaper. So again, it is steepdiscountmart.com. Yeah, so you can get free shipping when you spend $10 or more right now at steepdiscountmart.com, and use my code MyStyleSpot and you'll save 10% off your entire order. Thanks so much for watching.